Haka jingmi ka khubor ka bala ainam ya ka Meghalaya kum ka crime prone hills lingba ka kot khubor Times of India lala ban sakhi ban mi bon ki jing pandram nadu na ka sarkar jala ki seng bhalang kentobru ya ka Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum ka bala dawa ban pensha ya ka ni Hadin ka jingmi kini ki jing pandram lala ru ban yoi ba ka Times of India haka web portal kala penkala no ya ka khubor ka bakla dap ban tho bat ban weng no na ka Instagram post henry kini ki jing panmi khubor kam sham la pan mong tangi ki nong song snong ka Meghalaya henry kum ju ru ya wew nong jngok kai prathai ubana kari England u Daniel Robinson u blawan hado RCN singani ka jala bat ka jing sko mong jung u ka wan hadin bola yo ban puli ya ka tai ka khubor ka pa dei bat ki shikurem ki bala ja asora Uneu Nong England udeu historian but udeu bala syang bon teli kiri but hakasien ka boningkong kata house nam araja arpusau ulawan haringkat ka kurem jong u ka badai na Russia but hakasien ka baar ulawan Marway Daniel hakajing wan jong u hakasien ka boningkong ulayo kalat bani kendo but editor in chief jong Shillong Mail uba kermen lang yuria ban yit jing tip ka babanya sapang ka jela Meghalaya Naga jingmi ketika kubor, Daniel klam dala bansha ulapa ya kajing sngo ka baudan ban penpau sapang ka jela Meghalaya, bat kam tam sapang ka rikasi, bat ka jinglong ki Briew ka baulaong, ka jaka ka ba itenat, ki Briew ki babaha, ki bola depan ya kendo, bat ban sukan tho bagade ka jaka ka basniu, ha ushimat umla ban pediang, bat ulaong, baudan ru ka jing sngo sapang ki shikurem, henry ka long ka badan kam ban tip ru, bat ka jaka Meghalaya ki babon ki dei ki balong riat.
It is, for me, one of the most amazing places I've ever visited. The topography is out of this world, and the people that I've been surrounded with, which are Kasi, have been very, very kind, and I couldn't fault them. Everybody's so polite and friendly, and this whole area is just amazing. And I've been coming to Meghalaya for a couple of summers now, and I've been traveling quite extensively through the hills, and this region has been very welcoming with Kasi people, and I've had absolutely no problems and can't imagine that there's been any serious problem with the recent reports with a married couple that have been up in the hills and somehow they've gone missing. They were on a motorbike, but nothing's been proven, but the national media have taken it on themselves to say that these hills are unsafe and crime-ridden or whatever it is. But I'm not completely convinced. We've had terrible rains here, and the topography, and sometimes the hills can be very steep and valleys can be dangerous, so nobody really knows what's happened. But in my view, this is a beautiful area, beautiful place, beautiful people, and well worth a visit. And I hope, I hope this story ends up in a positive rain.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita kadon ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya